Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some pork ribs right here. We're about to make some fall off the bone. Nice and tender. Delicious ribs. And don't forget, hit that like button. Appreciate you. So we're about to go ahead and open this bad boy up. We'll go clean them with some white vinegar, 2 lemons. So that's how we looking. Okay, so that's how we looking. And make sure you pull your membrane off the back of your ribs. Take off that membrane. We have 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar and 2 bouillon cubes, tomato. We got some boiling water right here. So if you're really not into cooking ribs, or you cook ribs before and they ain't come out too tender, follow these steps right here. Just put them in some water and let them boil for an hour or an hour and a half. And once they finish boiling, I'm satisfied with the boiling, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with them after that. And we drain some of this water out because it's overfull. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put our apple cider vinegar in there. You can use regular vinegar. I just like to clean my meat with regular vinegar and cook with the apple cider vinegar. So, that's all we use right there for right now. We ain't gonna season the ribs just yet. That's the only little season we're gonna use for right now. So I'm gonna let these bad boys boil for an hour and a half. Yeah, hour and a half. Okay, so here we go right here. An hour and 30 minutes later. So we're gonna put these bad boys, they going in the oven. And like I said, if you want some nice fall off the bone ribs, follow that step right there. Real easy. Look, you see the bone fell out, right? Look, bone fell out. We wasn't ready for that bone to fall out yet. Not yet. So we'll go ahead and place our ribs in this pan. And we'll go to the next. Okay, so we'll use some of this juice. That's all we need right there. Now we'll give it a nice season. Dash. I'm just sprinkling it on there. I'm not measuring it. No salt. Just garlic and herb dash seasoning. So you don't have to be scared of the dash. Ain't no salt at all. Okay. Restaurant style black pepper. I don't put some aluminum foil over that bad boy, and it's going right in the oven. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. So it's going in the oven. Going in the oven on 400 for 45 minutes. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. So I took the aluminum foil off. Let it do its thing for 15 minutes with the aluminum foil off. Now if we add our barbecue sauce, put it on boil for 8 minutes. Then we'll get this good food on a nice plate. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our mac and cheese. We have our Mexican rice. And there we go right there. Fall off the bone. Steak. Melt in your mouth, not in your hand. For real. And when I say this fall off the bone, man, fall off the bone for real. Everybody getting their grub on right now. And they loving it. The Mexican rice. My stepdaughter, she made this. She love that Mexican rice. So, you know it go good with some ribs. So she made that happen. So I'm not going to take the A for that one. You hear me? She did that. Mac and cheese. Yeah, she did that too. So I just did the ribs. That's all I did right there. Other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit nice.